Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial, Procreate time-lapse video of how I draw realistic portraits. I will be uploading more detailed videos soon, simplifying the process of creating portraits, so that everybody can do it. Hope you will like this video. Start with a basic sketch of the face, first. Don't worry about being too perfect, you can always come back and make changes later. Apply the skin color on the face and hair. Paint with only one shade of a color, we will add details later. Now roughly color in the darker areas. Then smooth out everything with the smudge tool. Look at the whole picture and find areas that need changes. Now start with adding all the details and take as much time as needed. Highlight and shine can really make a drawing into a realistic portrait. And it's very easy to do. Color in the darker areas. Smooth out everything with the smudge tool. Now add 2 layers. Paint the hair on one and the background on another. Place the background layer at the bottom and hair layer in the front. Look at the painting from different angles and keep adding the last-minute details. And you are done. Thank you for watching. Kindly share your advices and suggestions on how this could be more helpful. Please subscribe for more.